Yo, what's good, everyone? Just figured I'd give you guys a quick update on what's going on with me and the channel and whatnot. And yeah, so about like a week, 2 weeks ago, probably by now, I picked up this new daily IS. It's a 01. It's an automatic. I specifically wanted to get an automatic just because, you know, driving every day, it's a lot easier and a little more comfortable, especially after doing like the CD swap and with the big heavy clutch. I mean, it's not bad to drive every day, but I mean, these cars are great in automatic too. Don't let anyone fool you, you know. I've had like a few automatics and yeah, they're great cars. The auto shifts smooth if you get a right one. If the car was well maintained, then yeah, definitely get an automatic if you can. They're going up in price too, to be honest. They're great little everyday cars. The only thing I'd have to complain about is honestly the gas mileage is absolute dog shit. Like, I tell you, this thing costs what, $60 to fill up on 93? Yeah, you're telling me. But anyway, back to the car. Yeah, I know you can tell probably it needs a few things, but honestly, I'm not really tripping because there's other things you should worry about when getting these cars other than just like bumpers and stuff, you know, because I mean, it's a 20-something-year-old car, and I mean, it's gonna have its flaws, you know. But the main things I look for when I'm getting one of these cars is just a clean chassis, no rust, no crazy major accidents, anything like that. Typically mileage under like 170, 160,000. This one's at 151. And yeah, it's pretty clean. I like it. It's black, you know, matches the other wagon, goes good. Yeah, I could tell. I know the bumper, it didn't come like this. Whatchamacallit, I ended up swapping out the headlights and fog lights, and when I did, this bumper tab is all messed up right here, and you can see it's starting to split right where the tab connects. So as I was pulling it off, it was just splitting and splitting. So I wasn't really too pressed on trying to fix that, as long as it would do the trick and stay on for now, because I do have the wagon until I get a new bumper. But yeah, I put the same other Y selection headlights that I have for the wagon, the dark titanium, satin, however you want to call it. Factory fogs for now, the 01 grill. Yeah, just don't mind that. It's pretty bad. It's just this bumper kind of like was honestly like really, it was really like rigged to, you know, not really fit it. They had like some screw going up in the top instead of the actual clips. But yeah, I mean, cars are not perfect, but like I said, I'd rather get a car with a clean chassis, strong engine, transmission, rather than getting a car that was either sitting for a while, 5-10 plus years, you know. Then you're gonna have all the seals bad. But just got a little mark right here, nothing crazy. Couple of door dings, which is typical, you know. It's clean though, no rust. It's still got the factory little rock chip protector. That's what you really want to look for, guys, right here. All this stuff, the wheel well. I know it wasn't a little accident in the back right, that's probably why this bumper isn't fitting good, but hey, I'm not really tripping. It's a 20-something-year-old car. I got it for a decent price, so whatever, I'll take it. Only other thing I've done so far is just obviously you can tell the dark chrome taillights, it didn't come with them. I'll have to put a picture in right now of what it looked like when I got it. Taillight was cracked on the left, and that was just the chrome ones, which are honestly ugly in my opinion. But other than that, a couple dings, dents, typical for a 20-something-year-old car. It's not a show car. It's just going to be like my new daily quick get in and go type of car. Nothing too ridiculous like the wagon. And yeah, don't mind that. Where I park at my house, I literally wax this car 2 days ago, and you wouldn't even tell. Like, this bird like literally just sits on the line and just craps on my car all day long. And it's a black car too, so it doesn't help. Oh yeah, the only other thing I probably did was the antenna I had, because the old one, you know, these get really chewed up quick, especially if you had a car like this one that was down south. But yeah, I ended up getting I gotta put this on. I got a roof drip molding. It's just missing it on this side. Yeah, inside's clean though. It's a tan interior. I don't really care. I'm not too picky with that. I mean, it's not like it's stains everywhere. It's actually pretty clean. I just got a steam clean like this or something, and yeah, she'll be mint. Oh yeah, one thing, I don't know what happened, how this happens with the whatchamacallit, seatbelt, but yeah, it's like a dog chewed it up. It's like, what? How does that even happen? I've never had that happen to me on any of my cars or what, but I don't know if the person before must have been wearing something, a jacket or something. Yeah, but it's nice. It's got the 01 dash, so it's nice, not sticky. Yeah. Oh yeah, I ended up buying one of these, a little cubby thing. Probably one of my top 5 IS accessories, just because, you know, you don't get too much storage with these cars. They're tiny on the inside, and the only difference is that the 01, you get this little cubby here instead of the armrest, which it's a 50-50 probably for most people. Either you want the armrest or you want the storage, but I don't know. This car, I don't really drive like hours on end or whatever to where I would need an armrest, so I'm not really tripping about that. And let me pop the trunk, open this, not pop the trunk, but inside's pretty nice. Back is all right. It's got a little burn right here, a couple marks in the back. It's a OEM sunshade. If you go on eBay and buy one from I think it's North Bell Lexus, this one's perfect, guys. I'll have to take a picture right here. It's literally like exact fit for the IS. I got one for the wagon and one for this, so if you guys don't have one and you live somewhere where it's pretty sunny or gets hot out, you definitely need one. It's worth the 40 bucks instead of getting something that's kind of gaudy and that doesn't fit. But yeah, let's pop the trunk. Oh yeah, it's got the 01 spoiler too, by the way. I think it's a 01, 02 exclusive. I mean, I'm not too sure, so don't quote me on that. But it is the trunk. Just got some stuff for my dog and whatnot. But yeah, I also got this too. That's right. This rare Altezza weatherproof floor mat. It's an OEM one from Toyota. It's pretty badass. If you can find one, definitely get one. They're hard to find. I got this one for a pretty decent price. It goes all the way back. You can see it. It's specifically cut for the edges of the car too, so yeah, definitely nice for a daily. I'm trying to find one for the wagon, but those are even harder to find, and people want an arm or leg for that, and I'm not paying that for a piece of plastic or rubber like that. I mean, it's nice to have, but I'm not spending anything, probably more than like $400 or $500 for one. So if you know anyone who has one, tag them, leave their IG handle or whatever in the comments, because yeah, I'm definitely trying to get one of those. And yeah, some rock chips, nothing, you know, nothing too bad. I checked the Carfax too, just said that one little accident. Yeah, under the hood's pretty good though, I'm gonna lie. Only thing that was broken before was that hood latch, like not latch, the clip that holds this rod in, just like probably every other IS, or 70-80%. I'm not gonna really stay under the hood because there's not too much to show under here, but I just do want to fix this valve cover gasket leak, because yeah, that happens to pretty much all of them over, like, happens after like 40,000 miles, I'd say. Every so often you have to change it. But yeah, the radiator is looking good. Everything else is just gonna do the plugs, wires, coil packs probably. You know, that's it. One weird thing too is that I opened this air box to get the headlight out and there was like a rock or something in it. I'm like, what? How does that even happen? Never seen that before. Let's put that back. So yeah, that's it, guys. Nice little daily. It's my first time having a second car, so yeah, feels weird, but it's definitely worth the investment, not wearing on the other one and being able to just hop in this one and go. So yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts down below on this one. want to see anything going on with it, stay tuned, subscribe, and yeah, I know it's not the cleanest, like I said, but hey, subscribe because you're gonna want to see what I'm gonna be doing with this one for sure. Definitely don't want to miss out. But all right, till the next one, see you guys. Peace.